Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering off the MacBook and removing the charger. This prevents shorting while you work. Once done, remove the back screws and lift the bottom case using a thin plastic pry to avoid scratching. Make sure to keep screws organized by hole. You'll reassemble in reverse order. You're doing this now to access the crumpled corner. The sooner you expose the frame, the easier it is to assess hidden structural bends and any displaced internal parts. You now inspect the internal area for impacted parts like the battery or antenna. This explains why you must be cautious when reshaping. Use a soft wood or rubber block against the dented exterior and deliver light. Controlled taps with a soft mallet to coax the aluminum back toward its original plane. If edges need localized bending, employ padded pliers or small clamps and make gradual adjustments. Because aggressive force can tear the casing, you finish by placing the bottom case back and lightly tightening screws in the original pattern. This aligns the chassis and prevents warping. Power on and verify the display, keyboard, trackpad, speakers, and wireless connectivity so you can catch latent damage. If you notice misalignment, squeaks, or intermittent behavior, make sure to loosen the screws slightly and repeat small corrections. Sometimes a 1 mm shift fixes everything. If damage remains severe, stop and consult a professional to avoid damaging internal components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.